In this video, I'm going to walk you through the absolute basics of hiring compliance in 2025. Hey, I'm Erin from Startup Wise. If you've ever wondered things like, do I need to do background checks? What's the deal with drug screenings? Do I need to check IDs? How do staffing agencies handle all of this? Then you're in the right place. I'm going to explain compliance in simple, step-by-step basics, no confusing legal terms, just clear examples you can follow. And stick around to the end because I'll share 2 tools that make compliance way easier for startups and small businesses: Harbor Compliance and LegalZoom. What is hiring compliance? Hiring compliance just means, are you following the rules when you hire people? When you hire employees, governments, both state and federal, have rules you must follow. If you don't, you can get fined, sued, or even shut down. Compliance makes sure that you're hiring people legally, you're paying them fairly, you're treating them the same without discrimination, you're protecting the company if something goes wrong. That's what compliance really is. Step 1, IDs and paperwork, I-9 forms, and more. The first and most basic part of compliance is checking IDs. Whenever you hire someone in the United States, you have to make sure they're legally allowed to work here. That's where the I-9 form comes in. The employee will show you their ID, like a driver's license, or a passport, which would be an A form, or a social security card, which is going to be a C form. You, the employer, check that it looks real and that it matches the person. You keep it on file, and it sounds simple, but if you skip this, you could get fined thousands of dollars. Step 2, background checks. Not every job requires background checks, but many do. For example, if you're hiring someone to handle money, you might want to make sure if they've committed fraud before. If you're hiring someone to drive, you need to check their driving record. If you're staffing healthcare or schools, background checks are usually required for safety. Background checks protect your business, your clients, and your reputation. But here's the rule: you can't run one without the applicant's permission. Always get written consent. Step 3, drug screens. For some jobs, especially field operations or safety sensitive roles, companies do drug screens. If someone shows up under the influence, it's definitely dangerous. So drug screens keep workplaces safe and also protect the businesses from liability. Some states even require them for certain industries. Step 4, staffing agency compliance. Staffing agencies deal with compliance on a completely different level. They're not just hiring one person, they're hiring and placing hundreds or even thousands of people for clients. That means different clients have different requirements. One client may want criminal background checks, another may just want employment history verification. If a staffing agency misses compliance just for one worker, it could risk the entire client contract. That's why agencies often partner with services like Harbor Compliance or LegalZoom so nothing falls through the cracks. Step 5, remote hiring compliance. Remote hiring is where compliance gets more complicated. Let's say you're based in California, but you hire someone in Ohio. You now have to follow Ohio's hiring laws too. That could mean registering your business in Ohio, following Ohio's wage and hour laws, filing state reports every year. This is where Harbor Compliance becomes useful because they help businesses stay on top of filings in every state. Harbor Compliance. Harbor Compliance is like a partner that handles all the paperwork and deadlines for you. They keep track of compliance requirements, they file state paperwork for you, they remind you about upcoming deadlines. Their pricing is about $199 per state per year. If you're in multiple states, they give discounts up to 40% off if you commit to multiple years. So if you're hiring across 3 states, you're looking at around $600 a year, maybe less with a discount, and that is much cheaper than fines or legal fees. If you want to check them out, the link is startupwise.com/harbor compliance. LegalZoom. LegalZoom helps with the legal side of compliance. They're not your lawyer, but they guide you through registering your LLC, creating employee agreements, drafting contracts, setting up compliance documents. Instead of paying $300 an hour to a lawyer, you can pay LegalZoom a flat fee for the documents you need. It's faster, more affordable, and built for startups and small businesses. If you want to check them out, the link is startupwise.com/LegalZoom. Why founders should care. Here's the truth: non-compliance can kill a small business. You could hire someone illegally by accident. You could miss a background check and risk a lawsuit if a person does harm. You could fail to register in a state and get fined thousands. Compliance protects your business so you can focus on growth. And when you show investors or partners that your hiring is buttoned up, it builds that trust. Example 1, the startup with remote hires. Let's say a startup in California hires a developer in Texas and a marketer in Florida. Suddenly, they need to follow Texas and Florida laws. Harbor Compliance files the paperwork so the founder can focus on building the actual product. Example 2, the staffing agency. Let's say a staffing agency supplies workers to warehouses. One client will require drug screens, another one requires a criminal background check. Another wants just employment verified. The agency will use LegalZoom for contracts and harbor compliance for filings. Example 3, the restaurant owner. A restaurant owner expands to another state and forgets to register. They get fined $1,500. If they had used harbor compliance for $199, the fine could have been avoided. Pro tips for founders. Number 1, always check IDs. 2, get consent for background checks. 3, know your industry rules. 4, use compliance tools. Don't try to do it all yourself. 5, stay updated because laws always change. So that's hiring compliance basics for beginners in 2025. It's about following rules when you hire. It's about protecting your business and your employees. And it's about making sure you don't face fines or lawsuits. To make compliance easier, use Harbor Compliance for filings and use LegalZooms for contracts and legal documents. I'll leave the links down below, startupwise.com/harbor compliance, startupwise.com/LegalZoom. This is Erin from StartupWise. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.